Frank Azar, the strong arm, is one of the most well-known attorneys in Colorado. People seek him out specifically when they need legal help. So you can imagine some people surprised when confusing search results connected them to a different law firm. Alan Janae talked with Azar about the situation. Joins us now. Alan, in this case, it was the strong arm himself who took home a big settlement.
Yeah, what does Frank Azar do? He sues. And if you guessed that he sued, well, you're right. And he has now settled for a little over $1.5 million. He sued another law firm which paid Google to direct web searchers looking up his name or catchphrase to their site, claiming they were using misleading ads that made people think they were reaching Azar's firm when they were not.
Help you close your case.
He's hard to miss on Denver television. After spending millions on advertisements over the years, Frank Azar is a household name.
Fast.
It's called brand equity, and Frank Azar has a lot of it. Now somebody else is trading off that brand equity, right?
Yeah. It costs them $30 to do it, maybe.
Because they are able to buy a spot in Google's search results by paying to have searches for Azar's name deliver internet searchers to their pages. And then I scroll down. Denver accident attorneys now serving Denver. That's not you.
No.
They pay for Azar or his registered trademark, the strong arm.
Who's number 3?
Available 24/7, 1-800-THE-LAW-2.
I've never heard of these people. In my opinion, it's out and out theft.
There's nobody you can call.
Azar sued this law firm led by Alabama-based attorney Mike Slocum. Slocum, Azar claimed, was even misrepresenting who they were when people called.
And when they call in, they answer, "Is this Frank Azar?" And they change the subject, or they pretend they're me.
Azar says Slocum was doing similar things with well-known attorney names in other states as well, which leads to a question about who controls the utilization of a name. Is the problem Google, or is Google simply the enabler?
Enabler. And you can complain to them, they go, well, we have no control over it.
But they're making money from it.
A lot.
Are you going to sue Google?
Well, not in this lifetime, I don't think.
You know, it's not against the law to sell search results under your name, my name, or Frank Azar's. It is legally questionable if they're trying to mislead you into thinking it's Frank Azar or you or me when it's not. Slocum did not return our attempt to contact them. Google replied with an automated message to our email saying we should not expect to receive a response beyond this email, which directed us to a site with Google images and promotional material.
All right. Interesting. Thank you, Alan. Appreciate it.